Hey everyone, welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is April 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Amazon, AMZN, stock. We'll cover the latest news headlines and conduct a detailed technical analysis of the Amazon chart. Recent news indicates Amazon is making big bets on AI, which could be a major growth driver. However, tariff policies and global economic conditions introduce uncertainty. Analyst ratings still lean towards a strong buy, with a median price target significantly higher than the current price, although recent price target reductions are also worth noting. We'll examine how these factors might influence AMZN's price action. Let's start with the daily chart. We can see a wide range of price action over the past year. From December 2023 to early February 2024, the stock rose steadily, but experienced a sharp drop around August 2024. The period from October 2024 to December 2024 showed some bullish activity before experiencing some choppy trading. More recently, we see large swings in April 2025, indicating significant volatility. Zooming in on the daily chart from March 2025 to April 2025, we can analyze the price movements more clearly. The early part of April shows large drops and increases, showing uncertainty in the market. We see a significant gap down around April 3rd, followed by attempted recoveries. This coincides with new tariff announcements that were speculated at the time, mentioned in the news. After more volatility, the price seems to be stabilizing near the 184 level around April 11th. Let's examine the hourly chart to understand the intraday dynamics. Looking at the 1-hour chart from April 9th to April 11th, we observe some intraday patterns. On April 9th and 10th, there was a sharp increase followed by continued choppiness, ending in a general dip in price. April 11th opens at 179 and rises through the day before flattening and becoming less volatile. We need to look at a smaller time frame to see what happened after that. Now focusing on the 15-minute chart for April 9th to 11th, we can gain a more granular perspective. We see lots of volatility, but we can now see some levels of support and resistance to look at. After the rapid drop from 187 to 167, we quickly jump back to 192, which looks like a strong resistance. There seems to be some support at the 172.2 level, but the price breaks through this on the 9th. Let's bring this back to the present by looking at April 11th and see what we can gather. Analyzing the 15-minute chart on April 11th, we see that it bounced between support at about 184 and resistance around 185, with some oscillations. From 1811 to the end, it dipped slightly to almost 179 before regaining the 180 level. If this holds, we could see a breakout to the upside towards 187 if the upward trend begins to gain momentum again. If it breaks below 179, we'll likely retest lower support levels around 175. Pay close attention to upcoming economic data and further news regarding AI development, the tariff situation, and global economic trends, and how they may inform your strategy. In summary, key price levels to watch are 175, 179, 184, and 187. A break above 187 would signal a bullish trend, while a fall below 179 might trigger further downside. Currently, my unbiased prediction is that Amazon will likely consolidate between 179 and 187 in the short term, 60% likelihood, unless major news breaks. Long term, if Amazon continues its AI dominance, a retest of previous highs around 240 is possible, 40% likelihood, but global economic factors remain a significant risk.